At Growth Club, we believe that planning your next 90 days isn't just about setting goals. It's about building momentum for your business. And when you join Growth Club, you're not just attending a planning workshop, you're unlocking a whole stack of value that keeps you growing along after the event. First up, you get one free SeminarCLUB session. This is your chance to dive deep into a specific area of business growth, from marketing and team performance to financial mastery and leadership. Each month, our coaches break down powerful strategies you can immediately apply to your business. It's practical, interactive, and designed to keep your momentum strong, even after Growth Club ends. Next, you'll receive our Planning Workbook and material, the same tool our top clients use to design their 90-day roadmaps. Inside, you'll find guided exercise to help you clarify your vision, prioritize your goals, and track your progress. These materials are your blueprint, keeping you focused and accountable every single week. And as part of your Growth Club registration, you'll also receive 2 exclusive invites to our upcoming Business Growth Seminar. Bring a business partner, a key team member, or a fellow entrepreneur and experience an event that's all about inspiration, strategy, and connection. It's a perfect opportunity to share what you have learned and expand your circle of success. So join us at Growth Club, plan your success, and take full advantage of everything we have built for you. Your SeminarCLUB session, your workbook, and your business growth seminar invite, because your best quarter yet starts right here. Register now at GuyanaActionCoach.com/growthclub.